birds are doing.
This
We
morning,
lost a couple of the houses to the wind here.
this morning it was grass. This morning there was not even a single flake.
What happened?
Then all of a sudden there's a blizzard. A blizzard.
Hey, looks like the wind just tore down a tree here. Let's go check it out.
It did over there.
Yeah, let's go look at it.
Where did it come from?
Where did it break off from?
Was it right here? Yeah, it's right here. And the wind blew it all the way over there. You can see it.
Hey there, we're getting our April blizzard. We should have grass, sunny skies, but no, I don't know why we're getting bulleted by these beads of snow and ice. Here it is, April 11th, 2019, and I'm hoping this is going to be our last blizzard that we see here, but the winds are up to 40, 50 miles per hour, and things, we're seeing some tree limbs come down, signs tipping over, let alone just getting beat up with the snow and ice on our faces out here. But this is another blizzard here in Minnesota in the middle of April. So I just want to show you a little bit of what's going on out here. These pellets, these pellet beads are all over my pants now. It is a whiteout. I can't believe how fast the drifts are drifting in the parking lot. They canceled school today. Hospital closed. The clinic's closed. I suppose you can't really close the hospital, can you?
No, because if somebody gets hurt in all this.
Yeah. They can close the clinics. I think we're stuck in a big drift here. Look at it drift over the sidewalks.
No, we should stop right here.
How come?
Look at the high drifts.
Can't really see. Oh.
It's peeling off in the wind. We're gonna make a step ladder out of snow.
Yeah, we just had some thunder, some big thunder boomers out here. Now, some of you may know, why is it thundering in the winter snow? Please put in the comments below if you got some tips why it's thundering in these winter snowstorms. I would think that we would have only thunder in the summertime, rain, but here it is. We're coming down with a lot of snow and even some, I would guess, some lightning with that thunder. Kind of a strange phenomenon, seeing these snowstorms with these big cracks of thunder outside. But yeah, just let us know in the comments there.